Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to select or add privacy policy page, terms and condition page in checkout page with this message. Now you see. So this is a checkbox. Before starting work, it's my request. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page. We already added. So you can add it by using customize section. Now you see customize. So open it. So we are in customize section and then you see WooCommerce. So click on it and then you see checkout. So again click on it. Now you see multiple option and then you see highlight required field with an asterisk. Enable this option. Now you see privacy policy page. So you can create page and then you can select from here. Now you see drop down. You see all pages you have in WordPress and then you see terms and condition page. So you can select from here and then you see privacy policy text. Optionally add some text about your store. So this is our text we added. So you can add text according to requirement and then you see page link. So you can add page link in message like this privacy underscore policy and then you see terms and condition. So we added this message. I have read and agreed to website. Now you see terms. So these terms show terms and condition link. This privacy underscore policy show privacy policy page link in checkout page and then click on publish. So after that go to checkout page and then you see privacy policy page, open, terms and condition open. Now go to pages. So this is our privacy policy and this is our terms and condition. So in this way you can add or select privacy policy and terms and condition page in checkout page and also display some message. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.